how to delete TikTok messages from both sides for everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete TikTok messages from both sides, meaning they'll be removed for everyone, not just you. If you've ever wanted to delete your messages from both ends, keep watching. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on the inbox section in the bottom right corner to open your messages. Now scroll through your messages and tap on the conversation where you want to delete the message. Now find the message you want to delete and simply tap and hold on it until a few options will pop up, including delete. Now simply tap on delete and you will see the option to delete the message for everyone or just for yourself. Simply click on delete for everyone and this will delete the message from both sides of the conversation. And once you confirm, the message will disappear from both of your chat and the other person chats, and they won't be able to see it anymore. And that's it. You've learned how to delete TikTok messages from both sides.